Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Family Fun Time team. As you know, I'm Jenny, and before we get into today's video, today all the toys that we are opening today in our big old surprise toy opening, it's all mixed up, but all the toys, they're linked in the description to the cheapest price that you could purchase them at on Amazon, with a slight commission if you do purchase them. So thank you for showing your support to us and keeping us going if you do order it from there. But also, if you do order it from there, there is another link to give you 30 days of Prime for free, which will give you free delivery on any of the items that you purchase. So with that said, let's take a look at some of the items. We have the new kitty corn surprise, the bunny corn surprise. We have the magic mixlings because we did Mixie already. We have the new world's smallest micro figures. The new series 4 mini brands. A princess surprise bracelet activity set. Big cats, mixed kittens. Ooh, those are going to be fun. And some Spider-Man plus a couple more. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 surprises. So let's get to it. We are going to start with, let's see, Marvel Spidey Amazing Friends. Let's see who we get in this one. Let's open this. Disney Junior. This case is too adorable. What do we got in here, guys? What do we have in here? Is this a little guide here? No? It's not our guide? Oh, okay. Whoa! Look at that. Such detail in these. Now, guys, I want to see if you know. Put the name of this figure in the comments right now. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Let's see if you know who that is. We're not going to say it. We're going to see if you know it. Number 2. Who is the second figure for Spidey? Okay. I don't think I have to tell you guys to name this figure, but put it in the comments. Who is this? I don't know who that is. You guys gotta tell me who that is. I don't know. I'm lost. Is it one of Spider-Man's friends? That might be a Spider-Man friend right there. And the third one, let's see who it is. Oh, man. He's green, he's big, and he gets mean. Put it in the comments. Who is that? Who is it? He looks incredible. Is he incredible? I don't know if he's incredible or not, but I'll let you tell me. Now, what do we got here? I've never done these. Bubbly Loons, little pups. What is this? Let's see what this is. I'm excited. I want to know. Whoa. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, man, there's a lot of... Whoa. Okay. Where is it? Aw. Look at that. Oh, that's nice and squishy. Whoa, her eyes are popping out. Whoa. I thought her eye was going to pop out of her head. Those are puffy, all right. Whoa. That is too cute. Who did we get? Who did we get? Because she is too cute. Who did we get? Whoa. Zia. I think you take the straw and you... I don't know. I don't know what you do. But that's crazy. She is too adorable. Ah! I want to put her on there, though. It won't let me put her on there. We won't put the top on. We're going to keep her right there. Okay. You're going to hang out with us, Zia. We have another one of you anyway. Let's see who the other one is. Alright. Who's the second one? Let's see. We have Boo Boo. There's Boo Boo. Hey, Boo Boo. There's Boo Boo, guys. Whoa, Boo Boo. Careful there. Alright, I want to see something awesome. Let's do a mini fashion because I love these things. Alright, fashion surprise. What do we have? Mini fashions. Let's see, we got some glasses. Whoa. Uh-oh, I think we got one of the rares here. No, we didn't. But we got a doggy. We got the little doggy. That is too adorable. That is too adorable. That doggy's so cute. And look at our bag, guys. Look at that. Whoa. Now that is gorgeous. We're going to put our little doggy in our bag. He's going to hang out with us. He's cute. I like him. Let's see the second one. Who's in there? Maybe we get the other little doggy. Fashion number 2. What do we got here? Let's see. We got a lipstick. We got a little pink clutch purse. And some perfume. Let's see, does the lipstick opens? Let's see our bag. Oh, now that is awesome looking. That is awesome. There's our bag, guys. Nice and gold. It's a golden bag. Put all of our stuff in there. We need our lipsticks and stuff. We're going to put that one right over there. What should we dig into next? Oh, the golden one is a rare. There's the rare golden. That's the one we just got. So we did get a rare. That's awesome. I like that. Nice. Okay. Next, let's get into the world's smallest micro figures. I hope we get a Barbie. They have Barbie on here. Looks awesome. Let's see. I want Barbie. It's Barbie. It's a Ken doll. I said I wanted Barbie, not Ken. Oh, we got a Barbie comic. That is awesome. Look at that. It's a Barbie comic. Jocelyn's going to love that. Wow, and it's got a case for it to put it in. I think. This might be the... Oh, it's like a magnifying glass to read the little Barbie print. That is awesome. I love that, guys. That's my favorite so far. It might be a Ken doll, but that's okay. I wanted Barbie. I didn't specify. It gave me Barbie, so we'll leave it at that. Let's take a look at mini brands while we're here, right? Alright, let's see what we got here. We got some sun-made raisins. Everybody hates those. Actually, they're pretty good. They're just really healthy for you, so usually nobody goes for the healthy thing, but they are pretty good. You should try them if you haven't. Okay, we got some sort of cart or shelf thingy. I think it's a shelf, which looks pink, so that's awesome. We got to put that together. Oh, I think it's a register. It came with a little number pad. Okay, we got the world famous Twizzlers. There they are. What else do we got in here? Oh, okay. We got lip gloss. So that's different. Though we were going food-wise. And we got Vimto. I don't know what I'm saying. I've never had Vimto, so that's new. Okay, those are pretty big compared to their normal sizes. Let's see what's in the second one then. Alright, what do we got in this one, guys? We got Teddy Grahams, chocolate chip Teddy Grahams. Those in the chocolate are the best. We got some nail polish to go with our lip gloss. Okay. We got giant otter pops. Oh, those are little ice pops. Everybody knows those ice pops. Hershey's milk chocolate. Who is the best? Hershey's or Twizzlers, guys? Let's cast that vote in the comments. I'm curious to know what you think. I'm not going to say what I would go for yet till afterwards. Katsu rice noodles. So there's that. I want to see what this thing is. Okay, guys, it was very unexpected. It was a safe that came with it to put all of your precious, important foods in so that nobody could steal them from you. That's pretty awesome, actually. Next up, let's see. Let's go with our bunny corn surprise. 4 surprises inside. What will they be? Hold on. Okay, let's pop that bunny open. Whoa! Whoa! He is pretty adorable. Who is this? What's his name? His name is Coral. What comes with Coral? Some stickers. There they are. 3 little stickers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is the 4 surprises. Welcome to the team, Coral. You are too adorable. We are going to stick you in your big bunny ears right back here for now. Whoa, there's Coral. We can still see him. He's looking at us through there. Okay, with that said, let's see who's in our kitty corn surprise then. Peel reveal the magic heart. 10 surprises with magic glowing cat eyes. Kitties have to have glowing cat eyes. Otherwise, just won't be a good kitty. Alright, let's see. Who do we have in here? Ready, steady, go. Oh, look at that. Wow. What's the heart say? Oh, gosh, she wants fish. Collector's guide. Let's see what she wants. She wants fish, it says. She likes her pate. We have... Oh, man, she's like so cute. We have Nori. Hi, Nori. I wish I would have got lucky, but we'll take Nori because she's so adorable. Nori's going to go right back there for now. We have... Ooh, look at this. We got a little eggy here. We got some stickers with all of them on it. There's Lucky right there. Ooh, what's this? Magic litter compound. Ew, that's gooey. That is gooey. That's almost like the rainbow unicorn poop that we did a while back. We got a little eggy. Let's see who's in the eggy. Let's see. Oh, who is it? Oh, it's a gold cat. It is the rare. There it is. We got the rare Boo Boo Corn Kitty. Yay, there's the rare kitty. We like that. Boo Boo Black Cat. The rare golden kitty. I like that. I like that. We like it. Okay. Let's get into the next thing. What are we going to do next? I think Princess Bracelet Surprises. Okay, we've moved all of our open surprises back more so we can get some other things open. And here we go with the Princess Bracelet Activity Surprise. Who will we get? Let's see who we get, guys. Ooh, that was easy to open. What's in here? Okay. Alright. Series 1. This is who is in Series 1. I like to get Belle or Rapunzel, but we always usually get Ariel for things. We probably won't because I said that. Let's see who we got. We got Belle. There she is. I'll take it. Let's see what charms she got. She got the flower and the book. Oh, and here's all of our beads. Okay. Let's put this bracelet together, shall we? Okay, guys, we built our bracelet, and there it is. Too adorable. I like it. We're going to have to get some more of those. That is adorable. Let's go on to our next thing. And that is LOL Surprise Queens. 12 to collect. These have been out for a little bit, but I had to see them because I haven't gotten them yet. So let's see who we got. Let's take a look into this series. See if I like it more than Winter Chill or not. Winter Chill was my favorite series still by far. Look at that gold. That is pretty. Get this open. Oh, look at that. It's a throne. Okay. Alright. Now that's not bad. Look at the crown. Nice. That's the little handle for it, is the crown. Let's see our guide. There they are. All the queens. Let's see who we got. I'm excited. We got a little princess stick. A wand. I should have started with wand, but princess stick sounded nice. There's the crown. Beautiful. Oh, there's a little bracelet. And the outfit. Very pretty color. Nice turquoise. Some golden shoes befitting of a queen. And of course the cup. Let's see who we got. There's our doll. We'll get her dressed and then we'll know who she is. Okay, guys, our first LOL queen is Matchy Queen. Look at her. Too adorable. I'm going to put her right in her throne. There she is in her throne. Okay, let's put her over there. She's in her throne just hanging out. She wants to see who the other queen is that's going to visit her. So let's see. Let's give her her cup. And let's open queen number 2 and see who's hanging out with her today. Queen number 2 is in a silver one. There's the silver throne. That's so pretty. I like that. Alright, what do we got? We got the outfit. Look at that outfit. It's emojis. That is awesome. I like emojis. Oh, and she's got a little camera ring. Okay. Who do we got here? And of course, a phone. Some shoes. Her crown, nice and pink. I like it. There's her pop cup and her bracelet. Let's see the doll. Have selfie queen. Makes perfect sense with the camera ring. There she is, selfie queen. She's going to hang out on this side. Our 2 queens for the day. There they are. We have 2 surprises left, guys. Our first one being Misfittins. Now this is one big cat stuck in this. Look at all of them. They look so cute. Claudia looks adorable. Let's see who's in here. I want to know. Let's get this tail out of here. Okay, whoa. Oh God, that is one big cat. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Who is that? He's adorable. Who did we get? We got Ace the Boss. We got Ace the Boss. There he is. See if Ace can fit back there. Ace is huge. Look at him back there. Okay, guys, 1 surprise left. Magics, Mixies, Mixlings. There it is. Magic Mixies, Mixlings. And I think this is different how you do it. It says you're going to turn this key, press the wand to reveal, and get the Mixies. So let's see. Okay, so it's blue there. Let's see. So we got to turn the key, open the top. See, we got to turn this. Okay. Open the top. Take this. Is this what we're supposed to do? Let's see. We gotta rub this. Let's see. Magic. Ooh, you see that? It says magic. We're gonna get magic ones. Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh! Whoa, that scared me. I just jumped. That scared me. Okay. Who's in here? Oh! I jumped. Whoa, it's mermaids. Whoa! Look at them, guys. Who did we get? I don't even know. Oh, hold on, let's see. Oh, she jumps up and her legs come flying out. We got We got Mina. We got a Morphling. That's what we got. It's like Mina and Bunto. Aw, they're so cute. They are enchanters. Ooh. Okay. There they are, guys. Look at all those surprises for today. And don't forget, if you want to buy any of them, the links are in the description. Our next video is going to be a full case of some of the newest toy that has been released. They are so adorable. You do not want to miss it, let me tell you. And until then, stay happy, stay healthy. I hope everybody's back at school and loving it, enjoying it, learning every single day. And until the next time, bye!